Concentration is the root cause and the central point of the all success. And through the concentration, you can master in your self leadership. You can master in your self discipline, and with the help of your self discipline, you can get all the success what you deserve in your life. During the concentrations, you have to learn how to ignore the irrelevant things. These irrelevant things may be hindrance, may be obstacles, may be big stone in middle of your success. So we have to identify first what is the irrelevant things, and how can you remove the later the sooner you will realize, you will identify the relevant things, it will be very easier to remove all the irrelevant things, and it will be very helpful for your life. So my dear friend, just we have to shortlisted 4 5 common relevant things which many people face in their life. The first is that other people judgment, other people criticize me. See, once you go in the succeed, yeah, you once you can do the initiate any new things, we many people do not initiate because what they feel that what other people think, to afraid of the being the criticized by the other people, they do not courage to initiate. So first important point that is that we do not follow, we do not place of the other people judgment, because this is the my dream. We have to define what is the purpose of our life. For that we need to courage to initiate. So my dear friend, other people judgment, other people perceptions on you is nothing, and you should not give more time, you should not think too much about the other people's thinking. Second thing is that old troubles from the past. See, old travels, what you experience is the past, it is the past. You have to learn only some idea, some guidelines, some learning point, what you experience from your past event. We can see the any event which we have done in the past, we cannot see only in the term of the success or failure. We can see in the term of the getting learning idea, yeah, guidelines, what we learn from this event. If this event will be turned into your failure, then there will be some lacking in your planning, then you have to rethink, and you have to understand that life is a beautiful circle. You are the strong today because you know the what is your weakness point. You are wise today because you have been foolish in your past. You can laugh right now because you know what is the sadness. So my dear friend, old travels from the past, it is the also irrelevant things, and we can always remove, we cannot give attention in this irrelevant things. Third point is that the necessary pain of your hard work and growth. We have to understand there is a two type of the pain which we face in our life. Pain that hurt you, pain that change you. It is totally depend on you what pain you like. The pain you can change yourself, yeah, pain who can you hurt you. I am giving the examples. If you are start to running 5 kilometer in particular day, the first kilometer, it is the very comfort, and if you complete the first kilometer, in the second, once you start the second kilometers, it is giving the pain, and it is totally depend on you how endure this same pen, which is helpful to change in your life. What you desire to define your body, you want to body in the good shapes. So this change, this enduring of pain, it will help you. So it can be change you. So my dear friend, if any pain that hurt you, it may be the temporary. But if any pain that change you, you should always welcome, always love this pain in your life, because you know that today pain will be the motto of your success in your futures. So, my dear friend, we always ignore the pain which hurt you, but we always welcome the change, the pain who change me, or who change our destiny. And each day, the little frustrations, we have to understand little frustration, what it means, that if you makes any successful, any beautiful day in your life, it means that you remove some frustration, little frustration will always come. That's why you are success to establish a good day. Once we are doing any things, so it will be coming the little frustration which always deviate your purpose of your life. So always we have to ignore little frustrations, and little frustrations like that. It means it can be that there is no any meaning for that. It is only remove these irrelevant things through your strong willpowers. You have to define your purpose. What you set your immediate target for today, you have to do anyway. Due to the strong willpower, it can be removed. And just finally, I want to conclude that you have to learn to say no. If you are in middle of your doing any important work, some friend or relative will come and ask to help. I think you have to understand, but you should give more priority what your time ask. If time is asking your attention is required, then you have to say no. To how to say no, it is also a good point. Things we have to always remove these irrelevant things to say no. So, my dear friend, what we discussed, this is the 4 to 5 point. There is a lot of irrelevant things, but the most people who are facing, which are getting this challenge, this is the same type of the irrelevant things. We always learn to how to remove these irrelevant things in our life. Thank you very much.